Hello, hello! Welcome to another episode of English Daily Conversation. I am so happy you decided to spend your time with us today. I'm Anna.
And I'm Alex. Whether you are driving to work, cooking dinner, or just relaxing at home, we are here to help you speak English more naturally. How are you today, Anna?
I'm feeling wonderful, Alex. How about you?
I'm doing great too, Anna. But before we start today's topic, if you're new here, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.
So you won't miss any new episodes like this. Right, Alex?
Of course. Today's topic is something everyone loves: travel and visited places.
But wait, before we start, we need to prepare our listeners' ears. Let's do a quick vocabulary warm-up. Alex, what are 3 important words for today?
Great idea. Word number 1 is souvenir. A souvenir is a small thing you buy on vacation to remember the trip, like a magnet or a t-shirt.
Word number 2 is local. This means the people who actually live in the city you are visiting.
And word number 3 is sightseeing. This is when you visit famous buildings or famous places.
Excellent. Now, listeners, keep those words in your mind.
Because today, we have a mission for you.
That's right, a detective mission. We want you to listen to our interview today and find the answers to 2 specific questions.
Question 1. Which country did our guest visit last summer?
Question 2, what was the one food he loved the most?
Don't worry if you don't catch it the first time. Replay the video and listen carefully to find the answer.
Okay, I think it's time. Let's bring on our guest. Today we are calling Rahul. He is a student who has been practicing his English very hard.
Let's see if he answers. Hello, is this Anna and Alex?
Hi, Rahul. How are you?
Oh, wow. Hi. I am doing well. I am a little bit nervous to talk on the podcast, but I am excited to practice.
Don't worry, Rahul. Just imagine we are sitting in a coffee shop having a regular chat. Your English is great. We heard you went on a big trip recently. Where did you go?
Yes, I was very lucky. Last July, I traveled to Italy.
Italy, the land of pizza, history, and beautiful art. Was it your first time traveling outside of your country?
Actually, yes. It was my first big international trip. I went with my older brother. We planned the trip for 6 months.
6 months of planning. That is a lot of work. Did you go to just one city, or did you move around?
We moved around. First, we arrived in Rome. Rome is the capital, and it is huge.
What was your favorite thing in Rome?
We visited the Colosseum. It was amazing to see it in person. It looks much bigger than it does in pictures, but it was very crowded. There were so many tourists.
I can imagine. July is a very busy month for Italy. Did you find it easy to talk to the local people?
At first, I was scared, but the Italian people were very kind. I used my English to ask for directions to the station. I said, "Excuse me, where is the station?" and they understood me.
That is a great feeling when someone understands you for the first time. Where did you go after Rome?
After 4 days in Rome, we took a train to Florence. Florence is different. It is smaller and very beautiful. I walked through the streets and saw so many artists painting.
Did you do any sightseeing in Florence?
Yes, we went to the museums, but honestly, I enjoyed the food more than the museums.
Tell us about the food. What did you eat?
I ate pizza every single day for lunch. It is very different from the pizza in my country. It has a very thin crust and fresh tomato sauce.
And what about dessert? Italy is famous for its sweets.
That was my favorite part of the whole trip. I discovered gelato. It is like ice cream, but much better. My favorite flavor was chocolate and strawberry mixed together. I bought a gelato every night after dinner.
That sounds like a dream. Well, thank you so much for sharing your story, Rahul. You used excellent English today. He was such a great guest. And did you notice, Alex? He used almost entirely the past simple.
Yes, because he was talking about a finished time, last July.
Let's look at the verbs he used. He used regular verbs first. Listen to these. Travel became traveled. Visit became visited. Plan became planned.
Beginners, notice that for those words, we just add ed at the end. But Rahul also used many irregular verbs. These are the tricky ones. Go became went. Eat became ate. Take became took. Buy became bought.
I want to highlight one thing Rahul said. He said, I didn't have any internet.
This is so important. Many students say, I didn't had, but that is wrong. When you use didn't, the verb must go back to its normal base form. Before we give the answers to the challenge, let's talk about pronunciation. Good point. Many beginners struggle with the ed sound at the end of words. It doesn't always sound the same. For example, in the word visited, you hear an extra syllable. Visit, id. But in the word walked, it sounds like a T at the end. Walk-t. You don't say walk-ed.
Now, we have a challenge for you, our listeners. We want to hear your story. Go to the comments section of this video right now. Tell us, where did you go on your last vacation? Try to use at least 3 past tense verbs. For example, I went to Brazil, I ate amazing fruit, and I saw the ocean. We will read every single comment. If you make a mistake, don't worry. We are here to help you learn, not to judge you. That's right. We are a community of 105 people now, and we all help each other. Well, that is all for today's episode of English Daily Conversation. Thank you for practicing with us. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button if this helped you. It helps our channel grow so we can make more lessons for you.